Today we're going to look at a Winnebago Micro Minnie 1700Bh, which is a bunkhouse for a small camper. Okay, so now we're back at Mantelli Trailer Sales in Lockport, New York. We're going to be looking at the 1700Bh Micro Minnie from Winnebago. We have the Comfort Tech package and the Explorer package. And what that does is that it actually is, the trailer is lifted a little bit more and has a little bit more higher suspension. There's a better insulation package in it, and that it's wired for solar. Above here we have two outside speakers. We have a power awning with the LED lights. Over here on this side we have a black tank flush. Place to hook up your cable television and an outlet. There's a backer here, which I believe you'd be able to put a TV onto the side. This is where you fill your fresh water tank. This is the back to your refrigerator. We have storage that you can get to from the outside that's passed through underneath the front bed. Have your propane, two propane tanks, a power jack, a location to put your batteries. It has a rock guard across the front. Over here we have an outside shower. Your city water. This would be the back to your hot water tank. That's locked up. Underneath are your sewer flushes. The back end, we have a location to put where you hook in your power cord, satellite TV hookup, and park cable. Coming across the back, we have LED lights. Up in the center, it's wired for a backup camera. They have a ladder to get up onto the roof. It has manual stabilizer jacks. Okay, now we're inside. And in the kitchen, right on the countertop here, there's the television that comes out. It comes out and you can turn it to so you can watch it on the bed or watch it over here from the dinette set. There's a small Dometic refrigerator. Small down below. Gas and electric. Has a small freezer in the top of it. Up here we have a single sink. Above the sink we have cabinets. Right here is the radio, the DVD, and that kind of stuff, entertainment center. Control panels are on the end. The convection microwave on top. Range hood. I have a 2-burner propane stovetop. Have quite a big cabinet underneath the stove and sink. And a pantry on the end. On the other side, even in this small camper, they've packed everything into here good and made it really nice to have bunk beds coming into the bathroom. There's a toilet right directly in front. That's a plastic toilet. Have a vent above the toilet that's got a fan in it. And then we have a full shower. Coming back towards the front, you see the dinette. The dinette has storage underneath each side. The dinette will drop down into a bed. There's cabinets up above. And there's USB charging ports and power above the tabletop. Coming up here into the front, we have a full-size bed with a window on each end so that you get a cross breeze. There's USB and power outlets up there so you can hook up. And there's cabinets above the bed. What's that? And an overhead vent. Underneath we can see the storage the doors that were outside. So there you have it. This is the Winnebago Micro Minnie 1700Bh for bunkhouse. Again, if you want to see this camper or get more details about it, you can contact Mantelli Trailer Sales. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. And we hope to see you again. Bye now.